I've been considering what the key drivers are for 21st century government, and I think, there are probably three. There are always three to everything. And the first is that those we serve, the citizens, the businesses, the religious institutions in our communities, all demand from us to be heard. I think there's this concept of citizen-centered design, human-centered design, and the idea really is, and we're seeing it play out in elections across the world, that citizens, businesses, religious institutions don't want to be legislated. They want to have a say in what is happening to them, the strategies, the policies, the effect on their daily lives. And it's really about how does government understand those citizens, businesses, religious institutions, and how do we design and build our products and services to match those expectations. So I think that's the first. The second would be the rapid rise in use of technology, really science, technology, innovation through the lens of entrepreneurship. Increasingly, we're hearing about businesses and government being data-driven, and increasingly hearing about things like artificial intelligence and other tools. And we have an expectation that government use those tools appropriately to provide better services. So it's incumbent upon government to figure out how to do that and really change almost the operating model of government in order to meet that demand. And I think the third would be this idea that the challenges that we're facing are so large that it's incumbent upon the public sector, the private sector, and everybody else to work together, that there never will be enough time or money or technology to solve it individually, that we need to move beyond the silos, if you will, and come together and solve problems in an integrated fashion. And we see that happening all the time, where people are coming together in innovation labs or sandboxes or whatever the technical term is. But it's really a place to explore, to try new things, to understand in different ways what citizens want, to try different technologies and figure out if there's an easier, better way to deliver them, to come together and see if we can create new types of partnerships across the different businesses and government to really figure out what the good is. I mean, it's almost like there is no difference between public good and private good, there's only good. And how do we actually harness, how do we actually capture that energy of all of the participants and focus it on problem solving?